Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do readings for all the zodiac sign for the last week of the month, which is from 25th May to 31st May 2020. Before starting the reading, I just want to clarify that I have mentioned the time below in the description box. You can check it out, and for all the zodiac signs. And secondly, people ask me whether we should look for our moon sign reading or sun sign reading. I do the reading according to the sun sign, but if you connect more with your moon sign reading, because sometimes messages are given by your moon sign, which is more appropriate for your own life situations, so you can go for the moon sign reading as well. So these are the two things I want to clear. And last, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, do it right now. So let's start with the reading. So we have for Aries the Justice card and Two of Wands and Eight of Pentacles and Three of Cups. So this is the outcome card. Right now, how you are feeling. So basically right now you are in some kind of decision making. You have to choose. Okay, there are two paths in front of you and you have to do a decision making. बहुत ज़्यादा इस टाइम पे आप डिसाइड करते हुए कुछ कि डू यू हैव टू स्टे और यू हैव टू गो समवेयर, और या किसी भी लाइफ किसी भी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ life you are deciding. Either it's career, it's love, you have choices, or you are deciding something uh, from the point of view of career also. Maybe you are deciding for the job to switch or something. You are in a two paths, I can see. As you can see, this person, he is deciding. He is in his thoughts, and I can see travel also. I don't know, during lockdown, I don't know, but I can see travel. Maybe due to some work or something, but I see travel. And from the other card, Eight of Wands, I see that you are very hardworking. You are kind of putting a lot of efforts in your work, whether it's your business or your job. You're doing a lot of efforts. So be happy now, because your efforts will be paid off. Your hard work will pay off. You will get rewards, or you will get some kind of benefits from your work life. Because here is the Justice card. If the things were not going great, now is the time that the things will balance out, and universe is telling you not to worry, and everything will be sorted out soon. Because last card, outcome card, you have Three of Cups. You are enjoying with your friends or family. You are kind of celebrating. So I see a lot of joy here and a lot of happiness here. So overall, it's a positive week for you. I can see that hard work is there. I can see that decision making is going on. But since the Justice card is here with all these things, so Justice card says that things will balance out and things will sort out. You don't have to worry. And Three of Cups here, this means some kind of happiness or some kind of joy or some kind of celebration will be there, either in from the point of view of love, I can say marriage, or kind of the past person returning back and sorting out things. Or I can say you are just, from the work point of view, I can say you are celebrating your work. Finally you might get the thing you want. So everything is positive, Aries, for you. So next sign is Taurus. For Taurus, we have the Judgment card, which is clarified by Two of Pentacles and King of Swords and Four of Wands. Okay, so I see you trying to have a good routine this week. So like a balanced routine, like if you see this person, he is juggling between two things, so he is trying to balance out the things. And I see you having, and king of swords also say that you are kind of building a structure for yourself, you're kind of building a routine for yourself. So I see you handling and managing things in an organized manner, which is good, because it's not good to focus in one area of your life. And I see from the both of the cards that it's kind of that you are preparing a structure and in an organized manner. If I see it from the point of view of your career, also from these two cards, again I see that you're trying to maintain the balance, and this balance is kind of in your life, it's like your routine life. So, but if I see the outcome card here, which is Four of Wands, so basically it's a very celebrating card. Okay, there is some kind of event going on, there's some kind of celebrations going on. It is a very strong wedding card also, so maybe any kind of marriage is there in your way. And spiritually, it means that if any kind of spiritual workshops you want to attend, or any kind of event you want to attend, or you are invited, you should go for it. Because when the judgment card comes, okay, judgment says that, what I think, it is more of a awakening, that कि अब बस जाग जाओ और take the actions. Okay, so कहीं ना कहीं आपको बोला जा रहा है कि एक रूटीन बनाने के लिए, टू मैनेज थिंग्स आउट फॉर योर सेल्फ, एंड कहीं ना कहीं ये बहुत ही सेलिब्रेटिंग कार्ड है. सो मे बी द आउटकम इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर दिस वीक, एंड बिकॉज देयर कैन बी अ गुड न्यूज़ ऑल्सो related to your work life, and otherwise your work environment seems to be good. Okay, just work with honesty and integrity in this time of period, so that if you are being judged, you come out as a good person. And what else I have to tell you is, yes, if I talk about from the point of view of love, again I'm seeing this card. So yes, there is kind of a proposal, a marriage, or any kind of celebration, basically family oriented, and surprises, success, and stability. You will be somewhat proud of your achievements and your hard work. So some kind of positive sign I see here, which is very nice. And financially also I see good conditions, so outcome is very nice. So Taurus, don't worry, your week is overall a positive week. So next we have is Gemini. So Gemini, this week I see you very energetic. Okay, very energetic with the King of Wands here. You are taking the control, you are taking the responsibility, as explained by Knight of Pentacles also. So basically you are taking the charge, you are taking the responsibility, you are becoming that protective person for your family, you are trying to take charge of for your family. I see, dekho, here also this person is taking the charge, here also the person is taking the responsibility. So I see you taking the responsibility for a much stable and secure life. So this can be from all your aspects of life, whether it's love, whether it's career, whether it's health. You are just basically taking the charge, basically taking the responsibility, and you are trying a lot of hard work. And this card, the outcome card here, is the King of Pentacles. So it is saying that all of your hard work will be paid off, you will get what you want. So these cards are telling me that yes, it's the time to take the responsibility, it's time to go for a serious commitment, or go for a serious relationship, or go for a committed work, or kind of show your commitment, hard work and everything, and you are being a very loyal, very protective person. So all these tell me that it's the time to be energetic, confident, protective, loyal, taking control of your life basically. So all this tells me that it's a kind of, all these energies are showing me that you are basically regaining your energy for building a more secure life for yourself or for your family, because yes, you are being protective. And all these two cards here are more of a earth sign around you, like either it's Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. So I see these kind of energies around you. So maybe for them, or maybe due to them, so you are taking kind of action, you are taking kind of responsibility, you're working hard, I can see you. And last, the outcome card here says that all your hard work will be paid off with the help of King of Pentacles. I can understand. Yes, everything will be sorted out, everything will be perfect, whether it's your relationship, whether it's your career, whether it's your family wise, everything will be soon sorted out because you are working on it, you are taking the responsibilities. Hi Cancers. So for Cancers, we have the Magician card, we have Ten of Wands, and we have the Hierophant card, which is reversed. So I'll explain you one by one. But overall, as a journal for this week, I see a lot of confusions in going on, because the cards are also very kind of confused. So you might not be able to take a decision which you have to take. Okay, so if I go card by card, I'll explain you. So I have Ten of Wands here, which says that some of you, few of you, might be feeling overburdened, maybe because of your work, or maybe because of your relationship. You think that okay, that they are taking me for granted, or they are not working it out, it's me who's putting the effort. So आप काफ़ी overburdens feel कर रहे हैं. Okay, or maybe there is some kind of stress going on because of that relationship, or because of your work. Okay, so if I talk about from the work point of view, maybe you are getting a lot of work, you are feeling overburdened, you feel like having some kind of rest or relaxation, but that's not happening. Or I feel that from the point of view of relationship, you are getting some kind of pressure, you're some kind of getting that pressure on your shoulders, and you are not able to decide what to do. So this is all I can see from Ten of Wands. But and the next card we have is the Hierophant, but this is also reversed, so which says that somewhat challenging situations are going to be in front of you, which you may not be able to again decide because of some stress or burden going on, or some kind of pressure going on over you. So you're not able to be clear with your thoughts, and you are kind of going for unconventional things, like maybe which you don't do usually. And if I talk about from the point of view of love and relationship, see, from the point of view of love and relationship, I see a very unconventional relationship. Like I can explain you like this, that it's never happened in your life, like traditionally भी वो नहीं था, या नहीं चीज़ वैसी थी, but now the things are happening very unconventionally, which you have not ever gone through. Or you may be, like it says that you may be breaking your tradition for this marriage, you may be going beyond your tradition to go for this marriage. And it also indicates that that yes, they are your partner and you are not of the same tradition, and each of you have to stay very open-minded, and try to understand the other person, where he is coming from, and kind of I see compromises, and to come out of the comfort zone, because this card is basically telling you to come out of your comfort zone and work on it. So if I talk about from the point of view of career, okay, so just be aware that you might get into argument with your boss or something, not a very rude one, but yes, I see again your boss or your authorities are pressurizing you, and somewhat you are performing, or you are just reverting them unconventionally. That means the way you don't do it. Okay, so again, beware of all this. But the outcome card we have is Magician. So if you see this card, Magician, he has got everything. So maybe you right now you are in such a state that you have got everything in your life, whether it's job, whether it's love, whether it's everything. Or if you don't have, you have those resources to bring that things into your life. Maybe you have those skills, maybe you have those capabilities, maybe you are a good person, okay, and you don't you can you deserve everything. So this card says that even if the situation is not right, you deserve everything because you have all the capabilities or skills in you. And if you want to manifest something, see, manifest is, again, if you want something, you can just bring it into your life, okay, because you have everything right now. So try to be positive, and because and take your time, okay, don't be in a hurry to take any kind of decision. Take your time, okay. Thank you. Hi Leos. So for Leos we have 10 of Pentacles, and again Queen of Pentacles, and then we have 2 of Pentacles. So a lot of Pentacles, so that means it's all around money, 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 all the material things. So for Leos, I see that according to 2 of Pentacles, I see you quite of balanced this week, like whether it's in terms of love or your job, you are kind of balanced. You will create a balance, because other 2 cards are also telling me that you are kind of in a very secure zone, whether it's your love and relationship, whether it's your job. You are kind of very secure, very stable, and you're feeling very confident, and I see success in your cards. And for those who are single, they can meet a woman having the qualities of a Queen of Pentacles, that is very financially independent, very strong, very confident, and very balanced, very sorted out. So this week you will not be wasting money, you will not be spending it like on and I see good health also. I see you are eating good, you are exercising, you are having rest and relaxation, you're just treating yourself and your body. So all these cards tell me that you are in the best of your phase. So you just have to believe in yourself, and your all material wishes will come true. And I can see a lot of security in all forms of your life. So happy Leos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hi Virgos. So for Virgos we have 2 of Pentacles, we have 10 of Wands, and then we have Wheel of Fortune. So Wheel of Fortune is clarified by these 2 cards. So I see that there was some kind of pressure or some kind of stress going on, maybe from your work point of view, or maybe from your relationship point of view. Maybe you think that I am the only one getting pressurized or stressed or getting burdened, maybe with work, or again for your relationship. So now is the time to take the balance. Okay, this card is saying that now, okay, the juggling is over and I'm ready to make the things balanced. Even Wheel of Fortune is saying that you are going to end the negative energies around you, and you are going to balance things out, because this is a card of good luck, this is a card of destiny. This tells that some kind of life cycle of your karma is going to end, and a new life cycle of karma is going to start. So this is kind of a decision making time, and in this decision making you will take those decisions which are good for you. You will end those negative cycles, and I see that fate is on your side, that you are being fortunate, that the luck is on your side. So if you are taking any kind of hard decisions in your life, don't forget these are for your own good. Okay, whatever the changes are coming, they are coming for good, they are leading to a destiny. Okay, but not easy. It's kind of a difficult thing which you might end or which you might go through, but again, this is very very positive and very very important. Okay, and if it's not ending, or if it's not like that, you are just making to go you making to make the changes. Okay, because somewhat I see a lot of stress, a lot of pressure, a lot of things, so you are trying to balance it out. So you might take the necessary changes required to balance it out. You might not get into the extreme negative side and making the things end, but for some of you it can be like that also, that you might end the things, you will break this negative cycle and you will make the positive changes. Okay, like if for example, for if it's love, then you might go for a next step. You might take, if the things are going positive, you might take the next step of commitment, whether going for engagement or wedding or something like that, or even getting a deeper commitment. But if you're not happy, you will make the changes to improve. I'm not saying you will end the things, you will make the changes required, because you want to balance things out. So you might make the changes required, you might not end out all the things. But in the extreme cases, for few of you, it can be like that. And who are single, you will be meeting your soulmate soon, because this card is a Wheel of Fortune, which says that things are changing, and things are changing for good. So even it's good for your business, for your career, for every point of your life aspect, and even financially you can get lucky. And so make all the positive changes which are necessary, which are stressing you out, which are giving you that negative energy, which is basically burdening you, so that the things get balanced out. Okay, so pay some attention on some sign or some symbol which is given by universe. Sometimes things happen around you that you get a sign, okay, yes, I should also do this, or I should also go for it, and even I can see a sign for it. So you will balance things out, and you will make the necessary changes to make things positive. If you like what I do, and if you like this message, please hit a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello Librans. So let's see what's there for you in this week. Okay, as for the last reading, I'm going to continue that, because in that reading I saw that you are kind of overburdened, or kind of you're drained of energy. So I'm just going to continue with that thing. So here I have 7 of Pentacles. I have the Emperor card. If you can see, this is a lot of light coming. Okay, High Priestess, and I see the Hanged Man. Okay, so all these cards tell me that you were handling a lot of things as a father figure. Okay, like whether it's financial stability, whether it is emotional stability, whether it is even if you are if you are even a female, you are handling things like a father for your children, whether it's financially or just being there, like a very strong and stable person, just like the Emperor, and an old wise person. Okay, and here I have to clear that is 7 of Pentacles. Now what this person is doing, this person is basically looking what he has done or she has done for the whole life. पूरी लाइफ में मैंने इतना हार्ड वर्क किया है, मैंने what have I earned out of it, what is the success, what are the earnings I have done. So all this shows that you are kind of basically planning to uh, you know work things out now, because there is a lot of, this is the hanged man here. So basically you were totally stuck. There were a lot of situations going on, maybe which was making you kind of going through the difficult path, and you were struggling a lot, you were confused, you were holding all the complications going on, and you were just struggling. So now high priestess say that follow your intuition, follow your heart, follow what your mind says. Okay, this is a good time, in the sense now your hard work is paying you off. Like whether if I talk about from the point of view of your career, I can see a lot of things that you have finished, finished whatever you started, you have finished it. Okay, whether it can be like you have taken a retirement, now you are done, you have finished what you started, or you have this is a kind of a positive thing. Don't think that retirement is a kind of negative thing. It is kind of your hard work has paid off. You have done a lot of things, lot of efforts, lot of hard work. You have been a father figure, always very strong and very stable. So don't think that this kind of retirement is kind of negative. It is very good. Okay, and it has to be meant in your life. Okay, it has to be. Or if it's not this, it can be for overall, it can be shown as a success, it can be shown as profits, it can be shown as like hard work paying on, good results are there, and there are profits. If I talk about from the point of view of love, so I can again see that the partners have been working very hard with both the partners. So might be they are going to get the benefits out of it, because it's showing here that बहुत hard work कर लिया है. So the benefits are there for you, which can be either you both are buying a house together, you both are paying off for your any kind of liability, or any kind of for wedding, for anything you are just ready. Even for pregnancy, it's a good card. So overall, if you are single, then you are capable of manifesting like what you want, because you're done with your past relationships, you know what you want, and now you can attract in your life what you want. Okay, so go for it. So good things are there, and good things are there for those who wait. So it's a good time. Okay, now you can adjust your lifestyles, to make improvements. Okay, so it's a good card. It's basically that your hard work has paid off. It's the time that whatever you started has finished. So whatever the hard work you were doing is finally giving you the results now, and finally is making you a stable and a relaxed person now. Let me know in the comment box below whether the reading you matched with the reading, or whether you resonated with it. Just let me know in the comment कैसा चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, and do subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Hi Scorpios. So for Scorpios this week, I see a lot of past energies here. Maybe some kind of, when the moon is here, the moon card is here. Are you able to see this moon card? There's a lot of sunlight coming. So whenever this moon card is here and this is reversed, so what happens is that maybe if I talk about from the point of view of love and relationship, it means that you have been deceiving someone, you were deceiving someone, or you were not true to them, you were not loyal to them, you were kind of basically your true character came out, or you just basically just confessed कि see, I don't have that kind of feelings, or I don't have that kind of uh, you know and I have been cheating on you, or I have been deceiving you, or maybe there was no kind of that stability there. And basically, uh, I see that yes, the person, you have not been true. And now what you feel is that there is a kind of financially you are not feeling stable or secure. You were feeling in the past, but now financially, because here it is pentacles, so pentacles is all about money. So according to pentacles, it says that financially you are facing some kind of struggle, which you were not earlier, because there was a kind of stability earlier which has gone. And it's not emotionally, it's all about the kind of feeling I am getting is that it's kind of all the money wise what you have faced. Okay, so basically you have lost a lover, or lost that security kind of. It can be even from the point of view of your job. You have lost the job, or you have lost it, all the resources. You are feeling like a loser or something. And financially, I see a lot of instability, losing something. So it was all about in the past, but as an outcome for this week, there is Ace of Cups here. I am so sorry, guys. This is not clear to you. This is Ace of Cups here, which says that very positive things are coming your way, and there are new beginnings, there are new relation, new love, there is joy, there is happiness, there is a kind of job you might get, or there is a promotion there. So financially also good things are coming, good health is there. So everything I see is positive. And yes, so everything is going to be fine. And everything you were thinking that, oh, I lost this person who was financially making me stable, but I was some kind of deceiving or some kind of cheating this person. I was not true to that person. I was just there because of money. So I think that's going to end. And you are yourself going to be, financially stable, getting the job, getting what you want. It's all the celebrating things, or whatever the past relationship is, which in which you were not happy, in which there was no love. So finally now the love is there, the joy is there, the happiness is there. And it's good for the point of view of job also, business also, career also, and health also. So Scorpios, if you like what I do, so please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Hi Sagittarius. So let's see what's there for you this week for Sagittarius. So Sagittarius, I see there is 7 of Swords reversed. So what does this mean? This means that some kind of people are there around you who are actually two-faced, or actually not true with you, or you are not true with someone, or you are hiding something or keeping secrets or something like that. So it's now is the time to reveal the things out, and be honest with the person. And if you have any kind of warning signals going on for your body and you're ignoring it, so right now it's the time to focus on your body. Focus on the signals, that warning signals you are getting. Like, it's high time to ignore your body signals. Okay, if I talk about from the point of view of health. And if I say this card means, due to this kind of energy here, you have to be strong, you have to be brave, you have to handle this situation nicely. Because if it's kind of you're hiding something, or you are keeping secrets, or the other person is doing that, and if it's revealed, then be careful and act wisely and be strong. So next we have Queen of Wands. So Queen of Wands says that you are overall very energetic week for you. You are having a lot of you're very, again, very strong. To be strong, it's there. And what I see is that you are kind of very helpful nature this week. You will be helping others as you do, Sagittarius. You will be helping others, and you will be being blessed by those people, because I can see 10 of cups here, which is a blessing card. So I just say that when 10 of cups is your outcome, it's a good thing, because it's very stable and very positive, very domestic and very blissful vibe. So it's kind of that whatever you are going through or whatever you go through, okay, somewhat it's a positive thing to happen. And you will basically um, be satisfied, and you will be happy. And this card is totally telling me that you are stable, you are secure, you will be stable or you will be secure. And it's basically a soulmate card. So like you might meet your soulmate, or you might be with your soulmate. And it's an abundance card, like whatever you want will be given in abundance to you if you remain strong, if you remain energetic, and yeah, if you handle the situation nicely. Hello Capricorns. So let's see what's there for you in this week. So basically I can see there is a lot of hard work going on, or you have done a lot of hard work in the past months. So if you can see this person, has worked very hard and has built a tree of coins. So again, it is related to money. So I can see that whatever the hard work you have done, so it can be hard work in your area of life. So whatever the hard work you have done, now is the time that the things will you know, the results will come out in your favor. So, and if I see, this is totally financial security, giving you financial security. So any kind of promotion, any kind of results in your favor, profit, success, it's totally a success card. So it's a very positive thing. So if we move forward with the Knight of Wands, I see that you are very energetic, very feeling very powerful and very positive, okay, this week. So this week I see that hard work with your energy being very positive. I see a lot of positivity here. Then the card is Four of Wands. So just because of this success or whatever the news you are going to hear in this week, you are going to celebrate it. This is a celebration card, so you're going to celebrate it with your family and friends, and any kind of event or any kind of social gathering. Or it is a very solid card for marriage also. So you might be planning to get married, or you will be are ready for the marriage, for few of you obviously. But yeah, ultimately overall it's a very positive and a very success and celebration cards here. So let me know in the comment box if any kind of news or any kind of positive kind of results or any kind of success is there in the business. Also there are profits. I can see it's all because of your hard work you have been putting in. So let me know in the comment box, and do subscribe my channel Capricorns. Hi Aquarians. So let's see what's there for you in this week. I have Eight of Wands here, Magician here reversed, and Wheel of Fortune. So एक एक कार्ड डिस्कस करते हैं. So as per Eight of Wands, okay, I see, and which is also reversed, I see a lot of a lack of speed, a lack of, you can say, energy. Okay, I can see things very slow, very very slow. मतलब मन नहीं है या तो करने का, या you feeling very lazy, or you feeling not happy. It's kind of you are struggling, and maybe if I talk about from the point of view of love, maybe there is no romance or no love, or maybe if I talk about from the point of view of career, I see that you're not progressive in your career also, कुछ progress नहीं है, कुछ you're not trying to utilize your capabilities and skills, you are missing the opportunities, or you have missed the opportunities, and you are totally not happy about it. So I see a lot of struggles here, and maybe, and due to this magician reversed, I say that there is a confusions or no clarity in the mind regarding your life, or maybe your partner is also misusing you somewhere for their own selfish needs, and they are not, actually they are focusing on their needs, and they are not concerned about your wants or your needs. So this time really requires a lot of patience, and you have to relax, okay, because this is all temporary and this will go. So don't take any kind of impulsive decisions, or any kind of impulsive reaction or actions, because things are going slow and you are struggling. But be patient, okay, all I can say is that be patient, or you are basically doubting yourself that why the things are not going well, or why there is such kind of negativity around me. So basically you are just holding yourself back. So this card says that why are you holding yourself back, why are you not doing what you want? Okay, and I can see you mentally disturbed also because of all this. Maybe for few of you it can be like that, but the outcome is Wheel of Fortune. So basically Wheel of Fortune says that everything is going to be perfect, and the like luck or the universe is on your side. Okay, you just have to, it's just a karma cycle going on. Okay, this will end, this is a circle which is going to end. Okay, so try to be relaxed and be patient, and try to not take decisions in a haphazard manner during this time, and this negative cycle will end, and the universe is on your side. So don't worry at all, Aquarians. Do, if you like what I do like my video, do subscribe my channel. If you got the messages right and it's helping you to be on the right track, so do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi Pisces. So I have three cards for you for this week. So one is Nine of Pentacles reversed, and one is Two of Cups, and the other is the Magician, and the Magician is also reversed. So what does this mean? Magician reverse means there is a lot of confusion, or there is no clarity about how to move forward with your life. Maybe it's about career that you're not able to decide, or maybe there is kind of a confusions going on, or maybe someone else is manipulating you, that you are not basically working from your own mind. Okay, and maybe, okay, and for few of you it can be like that. So I see that you are not able to utilize your skills or capabilities. Something is holding you back, I don't know what. So do what you want, and choose what you want, and don't take this kind of mental problems around you. And you have all the skills and capabilities, choose what you want, and clear your head. Okay, if you want some kind of guidance, so Two of Cups is here. Two of Cups is saying if you want some kind of guidance, you want some kind from your trusted people, you can have it. Otherwise this Two of Cups is a meaning for good for love also, maybe for love if you have any kind of confusions going on. So this card says that everything will be in harmony. It's very positive card, and it's basically that you might get proposed, or you you might give a proposal to anyone. So or it can, from the career point of view, it can mean that you might get an offer, you might get a proposal. So it's a very good card. If you have any kind of confusions going on, do let me know in the comment box below. And there is one more card for you as a suggestion, that don't spend money like useless spending or useless expenses, reckless spending. You should not do it, because I can see there is a kind of lack of financial stability going on. So it's just a suggestion that if you are thinking of any expenses, so this is not the right time. If this is useless, okay, and overspending should not be done. So if you like what I do, and if the message resonates with you, do like my video and do subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you, Pisces.